Okay, so this here is considered the post. Everything that we have written here is considered your first post. So what we're going to want to do, like they suggest here, after you read this, you should delete it and write your own post. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to end up deleting that one. Okay, so this here, actually we just do the edit of it, but I'll show you how to do it both ways. But anyway, so here the title of that post is called Hello World. You can do an edit, a quick edit, trash, which obviously would be delete, and then if we hit view, it's going to show us what it looks like, and that's going to actually just show us this right here. So what I'm going to do is, let's go into the edit. Taking a little while to load, just wait for that. Okay, and there, you saw that before that it had what looked like a bunch of gibberish, and that's just the HTML code, but you don't need to do any of that. Actually, let's try there. That was, I think that's what the gibberish was. So all of this stuff here in between those brackets, that's the HTML code, but you don't need to worry about that. We're just going to go to the visual. Every once in a while we might jump to the HTML, but don't worry about that. Okay, so anyway, let's see. Let's just look at this here. Here are a few suggestions for your first post. And let's go back to this one. I just want to see what they suggest. From 0 to hero where the heart is. Okay, so this is an example of somebody's first post. I don't like that. Let's go back. You can find new ideas for what to blog about by reading the daily post. Press this to your browser. It creates a new blog post for you about any interesting page you read on the web. Basically, you're just stealing somebody else's blog and putting it on yours. Make some changes to this page, then hit preview on the right. You can always preview any post or edit. Okay, let's see. I think once you're into, I don't see preview on this one. I think once you're into here, the dashboard is where you would be able to hit the preview. Yeah, the preview is going to be up here. Okay. All right, so what we're going to do then, first thing we're going to do is we're going to change this. I'm just going to do the generic. We'll have it changed again, but I'm just going to add the generic my first post. I think that's probably what almost everybody puts for their first post. You know what, let's be excited about it and put exclamation points. Okay, I'll tell you a little bit more about this permalink later. I don't like it as much when you have the .wordpress in there anyway, but basically what you could do is just have a craftsbyartist.wordpress.com / and then tell people where to go for the, actually this has the date and then the hello world, but I think, how do I do that? Let's go back. Sorry, I must have clicked on something. Okay, so let's go back to the hello world, back to the edit. I didn't save anything, so I'm going to have to change this. Okay, so let's go back to where I changed it. My first post, excitement. Okay. If I want, now let's go here to under publish and the preview changes. We're going to have everything except, now it's going to say my first post, whereas before it said hello world. Okay. And it says with one comment, and I think if we just click on that comment, it's going to just tell you a little bit. Actually, yeah, here's the comment. Hi, this is a comment, delete it. We'll go to the comments a little bit later. Okay, so let's keep going through this. Let's go back and how do I get back to where I was? Okay, I don't know why the dashboard isn't just on the side. Okay, well anyway, we're back to our dashboard. I'm going to have to figure out where exactly that goes. I must not have hit save. Let's edit that again. Hello world. We want you to be my first post. Yeah, do that. Okay. Okay, we know for sure that we want that to be our title. I hit preview changes before. Let's just do update. And now this time that's going to be it there. Now you're going to have that. So if I were to go to preview changes, yeah, it's going to say my first post. Okay. All right. I'm not sure why we don't have a quicker way to get to, oh, here we go, up on top. Okay, this is what I was looking for before. Under my blog, I want to go to dashboard, and that's that's where I was at before. So now if we go to the posts like we did, now it says my first post instead of hello world. Okay, and let's look under the quick edit. Actually, you know, let's go back to the edit, and it'll see now we have the my first post on there, and then all of this, it suggests that we delete it, and we will. But what I want to do is I want to see what the quick edit does on this one. So that was under edit. Now let's look under the quick edit. Okay, so the quick edit, it's okay, that's just if you have a couple things that you need to edit. It's not for the whole, it's not as easy to edit the whole post there. So I don't like that one as much. So let's go back to the all posts here, and here we have, let's go back to the edit. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to highlight all of that, delete it, and I'm going to put a generic post up here for you. And let's see, we're going to say, welcome to my blog. I will be updating this frequently with all the new scrapbooking. Yeah, you know what? Huh. Thought it was one word. Maybe we can make it one word. But anyway, welcome to my blog. I will be updating this frequently. Follow the new scrapbooking pages I am working on. I guess this would be where you would just put the introductory of what exactly it is that you want this blog to be. And since I'm not 100% sure how you're going to use it, I'm just showing you how to add that post. Okay, so in order for us to have this change, like right now, if I hit preview changes, it'll show me what it's going to look like, but it won't be updated. What I need to do is hit the update, and it updated it. Another thing I wanted to do is over here, it says when it was published on, because what I did was I took a post, the generic one, on May 29th at, what is that, 8:02 p.m. I'm going to just edit that just to show you how we do that. And today is actually June 10th. So let's, I guess I just type in the number, June 10th, and it's a little bit past noon, 12:15 to be exact. Okay, and then I'm just going to hit OK. And there, now it's going to say when that was published. It's not a huge deal, but I guess I just wanted to do that to show you how to update that. So let's just hit update, make sure everything gets updated, and then okay, right here, this yellow box, it's kind of your communication. It tells you like if there's any updates or anything like that, or if there's something that's not working, there'll be an error message there. You won't have to worry about updates if you keep the wordpress.com, because anytime that there's an upgrade, they'll automatically save everything that you have and then update it for you, and then you can go in and it'll just update it for you. But anyway, here we can view this post. So let's hit view post. Okay. Alright, so that is what we have so far. But this looks a little bland, everything, so let's go to the fun part. Let's go to the appearance. Okay, a theme, manage themes. Okay, what a theme is, it's basically gonna be your background and layout. Okay, so your current theme, it's called The Journalist, version 1.9. And as you can see, it is actually pretty plain. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to find some other themes. I'm just going to pick one. These are usually pretty customizable. And I don't want one that's like too crazy, but I'm going to make it, you know, a lot of purple and stuff for you. But let's see. I would think you would have, well, we don't want to go to the premium because that's where you're going to have to pay. Let's displaying 15 random themes out of 124. Well, you know what? I want to see all of them. So let's try the, actually let's go to the popular. Let's see what's popular nowadays. Okay, the 2010, that's actually the one that I'm working with right now. But as you can see, we have, well, 121 different ones to choose from. So I'm going to find one that I think will look pretty cool. I don't like these darker ones like that. It gets too hard to read. I'm going to look for more of one. You know what? This one. Let's do this one. I know it's blue, but I'm sure we can change it to purple. Yeah, let's try that one. Okay, so this one, I want this one. So this one was called Contempt by Vault 9. So we're gonna use this one. And let's see. I don't even know how to add it. Let's find it. There should have been like a, there we go, activate. That's what we want. I previewed it before. Okay, this is a 2-column theme. As you can see, well, it's a little bit harder to see. Let me see. Not 100% sure how to make this a little bit bigger. But anyway, here's where your blog posts are going to be. It's going to be here, and then on this column here, we'll have some of the other things. So we're going to activate that theme and see if we can maybe play around with it a little bit. And let's see. Let's just see exactly what everything looks like right now. I didn't want to add a new. Let's go to all posts. And alright, let me just do that, hit view. Yeah, okay, we got the theme. Alright, well, let me stop this for right now, and then I'm going to go back, see if I can figure out how to change the color, and then I'll come back and I will show you.